got this microwave here and we're on the roof and we're gonna throw it off. Going again. Jesus Christ. Next up we have this Emerson microwave that I threw off the roof. How cheap. Fancy Emerson logo that's now chopped in half. Keypad. Buttons. Giant transformer. Nearly hit my camera. Is it in frame? Yeah, it's good enough. And as you can see, there's no magnetron inside of it. I took it out. I don't want people yelling at me in the comments. I didn't want to break another axe. Say as I nearly break it. What else is there to smash in a microwave? Fancy capacitor. Never seen a capacitor jet out like that. Where'd the rest of it go? Oh, there it is. That's disgusting. Hey, it's zinc unwound or whatever the hell. That's the end of that. Thank you for watching.